Hey, I have a Dollar Tree hack that's good for cleaning scuffs off your walls. Stick around.
Get started. Okay, guys, I know you all have these little scuff marks on your walls and your paint, and I picked these up from Dollar Trees. Now, these are a dupe of the more popular brands that you buy at the store. But I wondered, for $1, are they really worth it? Well, let me tell you, they are. But here's a little hack. So they come two to a box. But let me tell you how I use mine. By the way, if you're new here, I usually do a lot of thrifting, things around the house, and a ton of thrifting. But I'm at my townhouse in New Jersey, and it's I think I'm going to be doing some makeovers here. And if you're interested in seeing me do a bunch of DIYs and makeovers, I think maybe like the kitchen, then thumbs up this video and leave me a comment below and tell me you'll stick around for me to do some DIYs and updates in my townhouse. But meanwhile, we got a lot of scuff marks on the walls, and I can just take this and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Hang on. What I do with mine is I take them out, and they come two to a box like this. And this is the sponge side, and this is the scuffy, scrubby side. And I take mine and I cut a little piece off. So I cut a little piece off for the job that I'm doing. I mean, why waste a complete pad, right? I cut a little piece off and then I scrub. Okay, so what you'll need is, of course, your Dollar Tree products, scissors, something to protect your hands, and a little cloth to wipe things down. Let's get started. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much. And I'll see you all in the next one.